this is how we jive for mass communication. Here I'm again with another video. This video I'm gonna show you how you can take out safely any USB drive, any USB storage drive with the C port you connected to your phone. We'll go to file directly. Here type file. Here you see file. Go inside the file. Now most important thing, you can't take this out directly. So how we can take out safely? This is most important, because if you take out this one, you can destroy easily your USB storage, also storage of your phone. So in this case, you see USB storage here, you have 3 dots. To hit these 3 dots, when you hit 3 dots, you see unmount. Be careful, don't touch format it to delete everything. So hit unmount. It will tell you storage is unmounted. So now you can take this off directly safely. So do this very safely, because if you make any mistake, you can destroy your storage. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then, bye bye.